What's up, you guys? So since we are in 2 mile per hour traffic, let's talk about psych. Since I'm a psych NP student and I want to bring you guys psych NP student content. So let's talk a little about the dopaminergic pathways, the dopamine pathways, and there's 4. But the 2 I want to talk about is the mesocortical and the mesolimbic. Just a little bit for you to remember. First of all, the prefix meso means middle, and the area in the middle of the brain that we're referring to is the VTA, which is the ventral tegmental area. That is where issues start in the disorder of schizophrenia, right? So we know that schizophrenia is too much dopamine coming from the VTA, the middle of the brain, to the limbic system, right? So that gives those positive signs such as hallucinations, delusions, and all those true signs of schizophrenia. Now, other than that, you have the mesocortical, where dopamine is going to from the VTA, the middle of the brain, to the cortex, the front, right? And when you have not enough dopamine going to that area, then you don't get what you're supposed to have. You have negative signs like anhedonia, right? So that's all I have for you, because I'm studying myself and trying to find ways to remember. And one thing about medicine is they use a lot of, and who I'm saying they because I don't know who come up with these words. They use a lot of root words, prefixes, and if you just memorize, if you know the meaning of the prefixes and root words and things like that, it will help you remember what this situation or what this word or what this condition is talking about. So when we hear mesocortical and mesolimbic, we know meso is middle and the middle is the ventral tegmental area, the VTA, and it's going to the limbic system or the cortex. So mesolimbic and mesocortical. Too much dopamine in the mesolimbic is going to give you positive signs of schizophrenia. Not enough, negative. Not enough dopamine going from the VTA to the cortex is going to give you those negative signs. Okay, so the things that are supposed to be there are not there. Hope that helps you guys.